This video is being provided to demonstrate proper techniques for assembly and installation of a wall sleeve for a Frigidaire PTAC and PTAC unit. Before you begin assembling the wall sleeve, it is important to prepare a clean, flat, level surface in order to ensure the sleeve is assembled squarely. The kit includes the left panel, the right panel, the top panel, and the bottom panel. Place the bottom panel on the surface when you are ready to begin. Next, locate the left side panel and align it in the left bottom panel slot. Insert the panel into the slot until the locking tabs are fully engaged. Next, repeat this process with the right side panel, again making sure the locking tabs are fully engaged. Now locate your top panel and align it in with the left and right side panels. Fully insert the panels, again making sure all of the locking tabs are fully engaged. If a weather barrier is required for this installation, one is included. To install the barrier, secure it to the rear of the assembled sleeve by attaching it with the 4 supplied push pins. You are now ready to begin installation. First, if a grill is to be installed, remove and discard the weather barrier and install the grill per the manufacturer's directions. How to install the external grill. Install 6 anchor plugs at the 6 holes of the grill. The screw hole of the anchor plug should be inward. Once the anchor plugs are in place, use a hand drill to tighten the grill to the sleeve from the inside. Now we are going to demonstrate how to install a drain kit onto the wall sleeve of a PTAC unit. The drain kit is used to ensure proper condensate drainage. First, make sure that the wall sleeve is installed properly and level. This is necessary for the drain kit to function properly. Before beginning, it is necessary to remove the external grill. The drain kit comes with parts for the unit to drain outside the building or inside into a drain hose. For the external drain, prepare the drain assembly by first removing the backing material from the gasket and affixing the adhesive side of the inside of the metal plate with the large opening. Be sure to line up the holes in the gasket with the holes in the plate. The gasket will wrap around the inside flange of the plate. Push either the straight or 90-degree copper drain tube through the gasket and plate like so. Now that the drain assembly is complete, it may be placed over the left or right corner condensate hole in the wall sleeve. Fasten the drain assembly to the sleeve with 2 of the provided sheet metal screws. If necessary, the straight copper tubing can be trimmed to the desired length with a pipe cutter, being sure to remove all burrs. Now we will demonstrate how to install the internal drain kit. As with the external drain, the first step is to remove the external grill. Next, remove the adhesive backing from 2 of the gaskets and place on the plates without the center hole, making sure to line up the screw holes. Place plate assemblies over drain condensate holes and secure them in with the provided sheet metal screws. Next, prepare the drain assembly by placing the adhesive gasket on the outside of the drain plate. Again, make sure to line up all the holes. Then push the copper tube through the gasket and the assembly is ready for mounting. The internal drain requires drilling 2 3/16 inch diameter and 1/2 inch holes into the bottom of the wall sleeve. A drill template is provided with the instruction sheet. The location of the external drain depends on the location of the unit. The assembled plate should be secured to the bottom of the sleeve with the provided stainless steel bolt. Attach a field-supplied 1/2 inch diameter tube or hose and feed it into a suitable building drain. Reinstall the external grill and the drain kit is ready for use. Carefully place the assembled sleeve into the wall opening. Make sure not to damage or remove any of the thermal insulation from the sleeve. It is necessary for the sleeve to extend a minimum of 5/8 of an inch beyond the building exterior to assure proper drainage. The sleeve also must extend at least 1/4 inch into the room to ensure proper weatherproofing. Once placed properly into the wall opening, it is necessary to correctly level the sleeve. The sleeve must be completely level from left to right and have a slight 1/4 bubble tilt toward the rear to ensure proper condensate drainage. SHIMS should be used to achieve the proper tilt. Once the unit is correctly leveled, it is time to secure the sleeve to the wall. Locate and mark 2 holes on each side approximately 4 to 5 inches from the bottom and 4 to 5 inches from the top. Never put any holes through the bottom panel of the sleeve. Repeat this process on the other side of the panel as well. Drill the pilot holes using a 3/16 inch bit and fasten the sleeve with number 10 1-inch screws or the appropriate fasteners for the wall material type. It is recommended to use washers to prevent driving the screw head through the side wall of the sleeve. Recheck the level of the sleeve to ensure it did not move during the fastening process. Now that the sleeve is secured in the wall, it needs to be sealed from the weather. It is essential that the sleeve be sealed with sealant, caulking, or equivalent materials around the entire perimeter of both of the outdoor and indoor sides. If necessary, expandable foam can be used to fill large gaps between the wall and the sleeve. The sleeve is now properly installed and the PTAC air unit is ready for installation. First, remove the cover from the front of the PTAC. Using 2 people, carefully lift and place the PTAC unit into the sleeve, sliding it rearward until the seal rests against the front of the sleeve. Secure the unit into the sleeve with the 4 provided mounting screws. Be careful not to over-tighten. After the unit is secured, refer to the Use and Care manual for proper configuration of the dip switches. The most common configuration is to have the fan cycle on with the compressor. The user has other options as described in the manual. After the unit has been configured to the required specifications, replace the front cover by aligning the two tabs on top, then push down until the bottom snaps into place. Plug the unit into the appropriate power receptacle and your Frigidaire PTAC unit is now ready to use.